This is Unit 1, Lesson 6. This is the video for constructing parallel lines using method number 2, which uses perpendicular lines to construct the parallel line. So using a compass and a straight edge, construct a line parallel to line Q through point P. So our first step is to construct a perpendicular line through point P. Notice that point P is not on the line. So I've extended line Q, and now I'm going to do the construction for a perpendicular line for a point not on the line. I open my compass past line Q so that it intersects it at 2 points. I move my compass to one of those points of intersection of the arc and the line Q, and then to the other, and I make an arc at each. Where those two arcs intersect, we can put a point, and through 2 points, we can put a line. Okay, and we know that this is a right angle here. So we're going to move on to step 2. Notice we do not have a line that is parallel to Q. We have a line perpendicular to Q. So let me extend this a little bit here. All right, so now our second step is to construct a line perpendicular to the one we just did, okay, the one we created in step 1. And it's going to be through point P, but point P is now on the line. So our first step is to make 2 arcs or a circle, whichever you prefer. Transfer your compass to one endpoint of the circle. And we're going to make an arc. Transfer your compass to the other endpoint of that circle. Again, keeping it the same radius. Make another arc. Where those 2 arcs intersect, we can put points. And through those 2 points, we can put a line. So the line we've just made through point P is parallel to Q. And you can pause the video here before we repeat the steps again for the practice problem below.